Friends, I'm Eddie Michael Agbo. I'm here to talk about security laboratory. The Heroes and Heroes of Peace and Unity Initiative NGO has designed a security laboratory that operates with 6 basic tools. Those tools are merely to assist you as an individual on how to dictate insecurity while it is still in the shell. Chuna Achebe said, if you want to prevent snake bite, kill it while it is still in the shell. The challenge we have in our security system is that until crime is committed, the force cannot act. If a crime is not committed, the force cannot act. The force always institute there as a component to stand as deterrent. It does not have any other thing to do when offense have not been committed. So it is a weakness in the Nigerian police. So for us to be able to strengthen that weakness is to equip the beneficiaries of the Nigerian police on how they can have some tools that they can use and do their personal security so that they can always have a valid evidence to report to the Nigerian police. So one of the tools is known as Iyagoro process. That tool is used to carry out the security X-ray, used to scan the insecurity in an individual weaknesses while he or she was growing up and the ones he or she is experiencing currently. His or her knowledge on the formation and operation of those insecurities, how it has affected his being. Then the next one, which is the neighbor assessment tool, is a deliberate act of finding out the real identity of someone. When you deliberately want to know the real identity of an individual in a security issue, you are using the neighbor assessment tool. Then talk about the peace security code, the dimension on which information is networked and disseminated. That tool, the way you disseminate the information you have acquired is very important security wise. Then rehabilitation tool focuses on rehabilitation of loved ones. Your loved ones that are close to you are maybe going in a way you do not appreciate. The rehabilitation tool is going to help you to bring them to the right direction. Then we talk about the emergency management mode emphasizes on the prism of data collection from security book where there is insecurity. We have program peace security code and peace security is going there. The individuals have been carrying out their daily assessments, some have not been carrying out, and suddenly an insecurity takes place. What you need to do is we now come and collect their security books and extract the data from the security book to emergency management mode practical workbook. It will enable us to now know how the insecurity comes about. Thank you very much. I remain Eddie Michael Agbo, the CEO of Heroes and Heroes of Peace and Unity Initiative NGO. If you want to get with me, just search Eddie Michael Agbo on Facebook. You will get me there. Then you want to call me so that we can enlighten you more on this concept. You call 08147060324. So I will be hoping to hear from you. I would appreciate when you call and say 08147060324. Thank you very much. I hope to hear from you soon.